Hello friends, you are in the last leg of the civil service preliminary preparation. You are just 5 days to go for the examination. So what is the strategy which you have to adopt in the last few days? There are certain things which are do's, there are certain things which are don'ts. You have to know this do's and don'ts before you write the preliminary. That too in the last 5 days which are very crucial, you have to know this do's and don'ts. First, do not read anything which is new now at the last juncture. Don't add any material in the last moment, whether it is current affairs or whether it is a conventional area. If you have not read a thing so far, don't try to add it now as a course material for your preparation, or don't try to add anything new in the last moment. This is going to be a problem for you. Second thing, revision is the key to success. At this juncture, you should be constantly revising. Around 8 to 10 hours a day, you have to constantly revise what you have done. Each and every material which you have already read should be revised 4-5 times before you appear for the preliminary examination. Mostly, the conventional areas should be revised more number of times. Since this is the last leg of your preparation, spend maximum time for preparation. Spend around 12 to 14 hours a day in the process of preparation. Don't go out, don't waste time, just keep preparing, reading, revising, etc. Next, should you have to solve questions now? In the last 4 to 5 days, should you have to solve the questions? Definitely you should be solving questions every day, solving questions and revising those questions which you already solved. You can do this exercise till the Friday. I think Saturday one day you can just give free. You need not have to solve the questions on the last day. I suggest some people solve the questions till Sunday also, but I suggest that till Friday evening, till Friday night, you continue to solve your questions. You continue to revise those questions which you already solved. Is discussion necessary in this last 4 to 5 days? If you are having the habit of discussing, now you may continue discussing, but reduce the time which you are spending for discussion. More time should be spent for self-studying and introspecting. That you have to spend more time. Time should be allotted for mind mapping and recollection. Now this is the crucial phase of your preparation. Spend more time in mind mapping what you have done, what is the subject. So start recollecting also. Try to recollect all the data, keep the note in front of you, start recollecting each and every subject, and that has to be recollected. It is necessary that you have to remain confident in the last days of this preparation. It may happen that you may regret that you have not done some part better, you would have wasted some time in the past. So now you will feel regretful that we have not done preparation like this. Don't worry, this will happen for every aspirant who is preparing. He will feel regretful of the time which is already wasted. Now there is no complaining at this juncture. At this juncture, remain confident, remain positive. Hope that you are going to clear this examination. Don't have a negative mindset. What is going to happen if I am not going to clear this examination? That negative mindset you should not happen. Always have the positive mindset wherein which you believe that you are going to clear this preliminary. That belief should be constantly in you at this juncture. Don't try anything new in the examination. Whatever you have already tried in the mock test, whatever you have already tried while preparing, those strategies should be adopted in the examination. It is always better to consult a mentor if you are down, if you are feeling slightly a bit depressed. It is better that you meet a mentor or a teacher or a faculty whom you are having some connect. Students who are available in Chennai, they can meet me in Annanagar office. I am always available for their guidance. So just before I conclude, there is a very important thing which says that the process of honestly preparing is so gratifying that an aspirant learns so much out of the process that he is destined to succeed in this examination. So if you are honestly preparing, you are destined to succeed in this examination. All the very best. God bless you.